Hi guys, welcome to my channel, The Determined Gardener. Do me a favor, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I will be doing lots of videos showing you my garden, and you are in my backyard. And this is the time I just love. This is the early morning. It's very quiet, not too much fuss, not too much traffic, but I just wanted to show you my beautiful hydrangeas. This is my Limelight hydrangeas. I had it stacked up here with a garden gate because it was raining, and that's how I keep my hydrangeas up from flopping. But you can take a wider view of my backyard. This is one of my favorite times of the year during the summer, but unfortunately the summer is winding down. But the most really important part, the good part of the winding down of the summer, cooler temperatures. And this is what these beautiful hydrangeas do. They turn this beautiful blush color. You can see it turning right here and right here. So here is my Pinky Winky, and again another gate. And most of the Pinky Winky has turned already that beautiful blush pink. It starts off white at the tips, and then it rolls the pink all the way down, so it's a bicolor. So I'm going to give you a wider look at my Pinky Winky, and here is one of my hydrangeas. I'm going to have to trim some of that back, and my alliums are almost done for the season, but you can still see they are still beautiful. You still see the purple alliums, they are still poking up. So what I'm going to be doing is deadheading these alliums. I'm going to let them stay a little bit longer just to give it a little bit more contrast and interest. And here is my butterfly bush, my mini chip butterfly bush. You see some of it is already spent, but again, I'm just gonna leave it because I think it looks so pretty just like that. And here again is my Pinky Winky. You can see how straight, they have very thick stems, and that's what I love about Pinky Winkies. You can, a lot of the rain can fall on them and they will stand up. So I'm going to give you a better look, and I'm going to remove this gate, and you can just see that it's standing up by itself. But wow, they are just beautiful, beautiful plants. And unlike the Limelight hydrangea, this one has more of an open habit and it's cone shaped. The hydrangea is more dome shaped, but this is definitely a pollinator magnet. Pollinators love Pinky Winkies, and they just love the hydrangea. And this is my standard hydrangea. Quick story, I was at Home Depot one day and I saw this small little sad plant, and this is what it was. It was this hydrangea. I begged the owner or the manager to give me the hydrangea for 20 bucks, and it was a standard hydrangea. It was very small. It was a tree hydrangea, but it had no leaves. It was just pitiful looking, but I brought this back to life, and this has been in the ground for about 3 years now. So it was completely a steal. $20 for a hydrangea like this. And I also have a video showing you how to make a tree hydrangea. Don't waste your money buying a hydrangea that is like $200, $300. You can make your own hydrangea with these simple steps, and I'm going to put that in the video. So again, I'm just showing you more of my garden. And back there, I am doing a new garden near my garage. So that's still a work in progress anyway. And I just picked up these ferns. These are supposed to be perennial ferns, meaning that they grow back. They come back every year. So I'm really excited. I just needed a little bit of greenery in my garden. I have lots of color, but I needed some greenery just to give it a little different feel. So what do you think? This was $4 at Lowe's, and it's pretty good. I mean, it's already a good bargain, and I just love ferns because it gives it that fullness. If you don't have ferns and if you need a spot to fill, this will be a great spot. And I just love the contrast and just the leaves on it. It's absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to take you here to my vegetable garden. Not much to see here. It's been a work in progress. So very, very skimpy here. It's been a very crazy year, but you can see the leaves are turning here on this hibiscus. This is the hibiscus that I have, and unfortunately no leaves came out. All the leaves dropped, but you know that, what can you do? But I just love the foliage because now it's a cooler temperature. It's having these beautiful bright autumn colors, and that's what I love about the hibiscus. Once these beautiful flowers fall off, because they are very, they come up a lot and they're very plentiful, but they only last for a day. So once the cooler temperatures come, the hibiscus gives you this beautiful show of color. And some more of my garden. You can see tomatoes still growing, and peppers, and some peppers over there, and a orange pepper. So, and I'll give you another look. I will be eating this before the squirrel does. This is a melon, a green melon, and I think I'm going to be picking that really soon. Here's another green melon, and you see another one here, and this one is tucked away right there. So I've been having water problems, so I don't know what to do. I've been watering every day, but it seems to be not enough. And I have right here, you can't really see it because I'm protecting it from the squirrels, but that, my dear, is a watermelon that I am protecting, and it's growing pretty slow. So I wanted to take you to my other side of my yard, my front yard. And I just wanted to do this quick video just to show you all my flowers. Here's my coral bell, some more of my coral bell, my beautiful hosta. It is really beautiful. It's grown out of control, but I love it. I love it. Some more of my hydrangeas, Seaford. I think this is a Seafa. I'm not sure what this is. This is just a regular hydrangea, but it turns pink during the cooler temperatures. And here again, I forgot the name of these. I forgot. But guys, let me know what this is. It's at the tip of my tongue, but I can't remember every single plant. I'm just doing this video off of just, you know, just a really impromptu video. And this is, again, my hydrangea. It isn't brown. It's just turning that like kind of like a rusty color, but it doesn't need to be watered. But I still like it because it has this antique feel. Now this one, this is a hot mess. This was once blue, and I will show you what it looked like in the video. But now look at it. Oh my goodness. So what I think I'm going to do, and you can hear, is that it's your hydrangea doing that too? Yes. And it's under this huge tree. So I don't know why it's not, like, it should be protected, but you can see right here, it was blue. It was this dark blue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it. If you have a hydrangea that looks like this, just leave it. Don't cut this down. Don't trim it, because it is a mop head hydrangea. And these type of big blooms actually protects the hydrangea. If you are in a colder climate, it actually protects the hydrangea from frost or cold. So what I'm going to do is just leave it there, make it have like some type of winter interest, because once the snow falls on it, it will look beautiful. So again, another look at my front yard, guys. So this was just a really quick video that I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you my backyard. And yeah, so what are your thoughts during this summer season? Did you have a great season? Was it successful for you? What would you do differently? I'm going to do a lot of things differently this year. I think I'm going to water more. I am going to fertilize more. And oh, yep, see, this is the ugly of it. I don't know what happened to this. This was a cypress, and now look at it. You know, so I show everything here, everything. So now I'm gonna have to put that in the garbage. It just started, it started fast. It just really got like that fast. I don't know what happened. But guys, thank you so much for joining me here on my channel, The Determined Gardener. Don't forget to hit that sub button, that like button, and share this video with your family and friends. And please support small YouTube channels like myself. I know you guys watch the big YouTube channels, but small YouTube channels that are still grinding, please give us some support because we really need it and we love gardening and we love to share our gardening tips and our gardening videos with you. So again, thank you so much for joining me here on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video. Until next time, guys, happy gardening. Bye-bye.